Hello friends, welcome back to another episode of Movies and Melodies. Today we are going into the land of duets. Not the traditional male-female duets, these are all male duets. So to begin with, we go back all the way to the early 50s to Baiju Bawra. This is the story of Baiju, who was a singer and he wanted to take revenge on the great Tansen because he blamed him for his father's death. That is the mythological story, but who knows what really happened. This meant that we as listeners get a fantastic musical album out of this movie, because all the songs by Naushad Saab, with Shakil Saab writing the lyrics, are simply beautiful. Each song is an absolute perfect composition, very classical based and yet very light to listen to. So this particular song is a competition between Baiju and Tansen in Akbar's court. Baiju, of course, is played by Bharat Bhushan. Tansen was played by an actor called Surendra. He was very popular in the 40s and 50s. The singers for this particular song are India's probably the best Hindustani classical singers, Ustad Amir Khan Saab and Pandit D.V. Paluskar. Amir Khan Saab has sung for Tansen and Paluskar ji has sung for Baiju. It is a beautiful composition. It starts off with a slow or a vilambit bandish composition, and then it moves into the main part of the song, which is the dhrut or the fast composition. It's set in Rag Desi. So from Baiju Bawra, Aaj Gawat Man Mero Jhoom Ke.
आज गावत मन मेरो झूम के, आज गावत मन मेरो झूम के, तेरी तान भगवान। आज गावत मन मेरो झूम के, आज गावत मन मेरो झूम के, तेरी तान भगवान। आज गावत मन मेरो झूम के, हर गया तो जीवन जावे, जीता गायक दुनिया पावे, रखी जो अब मोरी शान रे। आज गावत मन मेरो झूम के, प्रेम के कारण प्रेमी गावे, तानु से पाथर पिघलावे, जगत में रहे मान रे। आज गावत मन मेरो झूम के, आज गावत मन मेरो झूम के। सात सुरों के मधुर मिलन में जादू आज जगा दे। बैजू के संगीत से दाता जल में आग लगा दे, जल में आग लगा दे। आज गावत मन मेरो झूम के, आज गावत।
Basant Bahar, this was another movie that came out in the 50s, again had Bharat Bhushan in the lead with Nimi opposite him. The story was of, again it's set in older times, times of kings and so on. And there is this young man who is the son of the court astrologer, but is not interested in astrology at all. He wants to be a singer, much against his father's wishes and so on. And the court musician actually is encouraging this young man to sing because his own son is supposed to be a bad singer. And you'll see how ridiculous this seems because it's Pandit Bhimsen Joshi singing for the son, that bad singer son. Again, this song is a competition kind of a setting. Bharat Bhushan challenges the evil Mallayya, who is the son of the court singer, and it's remarkable in that both are incredibly capable singers, but no one ever credits Manada with having, you know, musical ability of that caliber. He himself felt very hesitant to sing with Pandit Bhimsen Joshi, but Pandit Bhimsen Joshi was a gracious man and he encouraged Manada to sing with him. Shankar Jaikishan's music with Shailendra ji and Hasrat ji's lyrics. This song is set in Rag Basant Bahar from the movie Basant Bahar. Ketaki gulab juhi champak ban phoole.
केतकी गुलाब जो चंपक बन फूले, केतकी गुलाब जो चंपक बन फूले, केतकी गुलाब जो केतकी गुलाब गुलाब जो ये केतकी 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 तेरे
Jaagte Raho. This was a Raj Kapoor production, very unlike his usual rom-com kind of material. It was an expose of sorts of the hypocrisy that occurs in society and how these so-called pillars of the society are essentially thieves at heart. A villager comes to the city and he's wandering around searching for water, and he encounters various people like this who are, you know, during the day are all wonderful moral people, but at night that's when they conduct their nefarious business, so to speak. This song is a duet between Rafi Saab and Balbir, and Balbir has actually acted in the movie as well. It's a group of Sikh security guards in this particular apartment building, and they're all singing this song. And the song's lyrics, written by Prem Dhawan, the music was Salil Das with Shailendra ji and Prem Dhawan writing the lyrics, but this particular song was by Prem Dhawan. And the song also talks about the hypocrisy within society, and it's in Punjabi. The song from Jaagte Raho is Te ki main jhoot boleya.
झूठ बोलिया कोई ना, कि मैं कुफर तोलिया कोई ना, कि मैं जहर खोलिया कोई ना, भाई कोई ना, भाई कोई ना। ओए एवें दुनिया देवे दुहाई, झूठा पौंदी शोर, ते अपने दिल तो पुछ के देखो कौन नहीं है चोर। ते कि मैं झूठ बोलिया कोई ना, ते कि मैं कुफर तोलिया कोई ना, ते कि मैं जहर खोलिया कोई ना, भाई कोई ना, भाई कोई ना। ओ बल्ले 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 ओए हक दूजे दा मार मार के हक दूजे दा मार मार के बनदे लोक अमीर। मैं एनू कहंदा चोरी दुनिया दुनिया कहंदी तकदीर ते कि मैं झूठ बोलिया कोई ना, ते कि मैं कुफर तोलिया कोई ना, ते कि मैं जहर घोलिया कोई ना भाई, कोई ना भाई, कोई ना। ओ हट के भला जी बच के।
Rani Roopmati. I know I have used this movie a lot in previous episodes, but it is such an incredible treasure trove of songs. S.N. Tripathi's music with Pandit Bharat Vyas's lyrics, just an incredible, incredible musical album. The movie also was very much worth watching. The story of Baz Bahadur and Rani Roopmati, Nirupa Roy and Bharat Bhushan in the lead. This particular duet is where Baz Bahadur is with his music teacher and they're both, it's almost like he's learning a song, a composition from his teacher. So from Rani Roopmati, Baat Chalat Nai Chunari Rangadar.
बाट चलत नहीं चुनरी रंग डारी, बाट चलत नहीं चुनरी रंग डारी, सो है बेदर्दी बनवारी।
बाट चलत नहीं चुनरी रंग डारी, सो है बेदर्दी बनवारी।
ऐसो है निडर डर तन काहू से लंगर,
ऐसो है निडर डर तन काहू से लंगर,
अपने धींगा धींगी करत है डगर। हे मोरे राम, हे मोरे राम, हे मोरे राम, बाट चलत नहीं चुनरी रंग डारी, बाट चलत इतने दिनन में मुझसे कबहू न अटक्यों। बाट चलत इतने दिनन में मुझसे कबहू न बाट चलत जितने दिनन में मुझसे कबहू न अटको। नित प्रति जात गलन में सुबह शाम, आवत फागुन इतरात जात दे दे तारी। हे मोरे राम, हे मोरे राम, हे मोरे राम, बाट चलत नहीं चुनरी रंग डारी, बाट चलत नहीं चुनरी रंग डारी,
बाट चलत नहीं चुनरी रंग डारी रे, चुनरी रंग डारी रे, चुनरी रंग डारी रे, चुनरी रंग डारी।
बाट चलत नहीं चुनरी रंग डारी, बाट चलत नहीं चुनरी रंग डारी।
फिर सुबह होगी. This was a very serious movie. It was a retelling of Dostoevsky's Crime and Punishment. Raj Kapoor, Mala Sinha in the lead, with Rahman Saab playing Raj Kapoor's friend. It is a phenomenal movie, well worth the watch. Audience also received it very well. It was, I think, either the third or the fourth highest grosser of that year. This song is a very playful kind of a song, two friends teasing each other. So Raj Kapoor and Mala Sinha are in the park romancing, and Rahman Saab comes there and he starts to tease this couple. The background is Rafi Saab with Mukesh ji. It's a very cute song, and the music was by Khayyam Saab with Sahir Ludhianvi. So the songs are really fantastic in the movie. The lyrics of most of the songs are just outstanding. So the song from Phir Subah Hogi, जिस प्यार में ये हाल हो उस प्यार से तौबा.
उस प्यार से तौबा तौबा, उस प्यार से तौबा. जो बोर करे यार को, जो बोर करे यार को, उस यार से तौबा तौबा, उस यार से तौबा. हमने भी ये सोचा था कभी प्यार करेंगे, छुप छुप के किसी शौक हसीना पे मरेंगे. देखा जो अजीजों को मोहब्बत में तड़पते, देखा जो अजीजों को मोहब्बत में तड़पते, दिल कहने लगा हम तो मोहब्बत से डरेंगे. इन नरगिसी आँखों के, इन नरगिसी आँखों के छुपे बार से तौबा तौबा इस बार से तौबा जो बोर करे यार को जो बोर करे यार को उस यार से तौबा तौबा उस यार से तौबा.
Abhilasha. This came out in the late 60s. Sanjay Khan and Nandaji in the lead. The movie's story was not an unusual story. You know, it's about the barriers that are there between the rich and the poor, or the master and the servant, and how abhorrent this whole thing is. There have been excellent movies made on this particular theme. Bimal Das Sujata comes to mind immediately. This movie is not as good as that, but it is not too bad either. It's worth a watch. It's quite entertaining. You have Rahman Saab, Meena Kumari, Murad, Sulochana and Kashinath Ghanekar in supporting roles, and they are absolutely stellar in their roles, and they kind of prop up the whole movie and I think prevent it from becoming a less than average movie. The romance scenes between Sanjay Khan and Nandaji are a bit stilted and awkward, but you know, she was such an experienced and good actor. She sort of carries these scenes on her shoulders and manages to make it seem a lot better than it actually was. Sanjay Khan tends to get a bit hammy in emotional scenes, but he's eye candy, what can I say. This particular duet is sung on screen by Sanjay Khan and an unknown man who is a dancer, and it's sort of a campfire scene and all of that. Manada Rafi Saab have sung this playback, and RD's music with Majroo Saab's lyrics from Abhilasha, Ek Janib Sham-e Mehfil.
एक जानिब शम्मे महफिल एक जानिब रूए जाना ओ गिरता है देखें कहाँ परवाना एक जानिब शम्मे महफिल एक जानिब शम्मे महफिल ओ एक जानिब रूए जाना ओ गिरता है देखे कहाँ परवाना एक जानिब शम्मे महफिल एक सू एक शोला चरागों की अंजुमन में एक सू रंगे जलवा किसी बुत के पाकपन में एक शोला एक जलवा और इनमें एक दीवाना एक जानिब शम्मे महफिल ओ एक जानिब रूए जाना ओ गिरता है देखे कहाँ परवाना एक जानिब शम्मे महफिल.
Shagird. This has to be one of my favorite movies. It is so fun, entertaining and just hilarious. You have Joy Mukherjee, Saira Banu in the lead with I.S. Johar playing a huge role. He is Joy Mukherjee's misogynistic professor, and Joy Mukherjee plays a very willing pupil until they both end up falling in love with the same woman. All thoughts of misogyny fly out of their heads and they're both trying to woo this woman, and they don't know that they've fallen in love with the same woman. So this song, it's not technically quite a duet, but I'm sort of taking liberties and sticking it in the duet thing because I just love this song. The lyrics are so good. Majroo Saab with Lakshmikant Pyarelal's music before they became kind of the pedestrian music kind of directors, which happened 70s through 80s, I think. But they were still, you know, in that whole beautiful lilting tune phase. So this song, it's been sung by Rafi Saab and Manada. So from Shagird, Bade Miyan Deewane Aise Na Bano.
बड़े मियाँ दीवाने ऐसे न बनो हसीना क्या चाहे हमसे सुनो ओ बड़े मियाँ दीवाने ऐसे न बनो हसीना क्या चाहे यही तो मालूम नहीं है हमसे सुनो सबसे पहले सुनो मियाँ करके वर्जिश बनो जवां चेहरा पालिश किया करो थोड़ी मालिश किया करो स्टाइल से उठे कदम सीना ज्यादा तो पेट कम ऐ टिपला उजले बालों को रंग डालो बन जाओ गुलबाम बड़े मियाँ दीवाने ऐसे न बनो हसीना क्या चाहे हमसे सुनो
Victoria number 203. This movie was great fun also. Naveen Nishchal, Saira Banu in the lead with Ashok Kumar and Pran Saab as these kind of supporting roles, supporting the lead pair. They are outstanding in this. The chemistry between the two of them is fantastic. So these two are criminals, Pran Saab and Ashok Kumar. They've been released from jail. They have a key. They're now trying to find a lock that it fits because they're looking for these stolen diamonds. They don't know where it's hidden, but they know they have the key to that particular lock. So they're running around all over trying to find this particular lock. The music was fun. Kalyanji Anandji with most of the lyrics by Varma Malik, but this one song by Indi Varji. Kishore Kumar and Mahendra Kapoor have sung this duet. So from Victoria number 203, Do Bechare Bina Sahare.
बेचारे बिना सहारे दो बेचारे बिना सहारे देखो पूछ पूछ कर हारे बिन ताले की चाबी लेकर फिर से मारे मारे मैं हूँ राजा ये है राना ओ मैं दीवाना ये मस्ताना दोनों मिलके गाए गाना ओ हसीना ओ जरा रुक जाना बेचारे बिना सहारे देखो पूछ पूछ कर हारे बता दे इसका प्रीतम कहाँ पे छुपा है तू बता दे इसका प्रीतम कहाँ पे छुपा है वो कुछ बता दे वो तो निकला बड़ा बेवफा है कुछ बोल बोल ओ रानी बोलो कुछ बोल बोल ओ रानी वो कहाँ इसका रूठ गया जानी ओ मस्तानी कोई निशानी या जुबानी बोलो रानी मेहरबानी ओ हसीना ओ कुछ बोलो ना
मुझे कुछ नहीं पता
कुछ नहीं पता चल राजा अब यहाँ भी बज गया बाजा ओ बेचारे बिना सहारे देखो पूछ पूछ कर हारे.
That's it for today, friends. I have left out several very, very famous male duets a little deliberately because I wanted some lesser known songs to be introduced because people forget these. There are some beautiful songs that have just sort of gone out of people's minds. So I wanted to bring those to the fore today. For those of you who've subscribed to my channel, thank you. And for those of you who have not, please go to YouTube and subscribe to my channel and spread the word among your family and friends. I will be back in 2 weeks, but until then remember, music is food for the soul. Keep listening.